Well, holy smokers, Uber just got exposed big time. There was just this massive hit piece that was just published. Over 124,000 confidential documents were just leaked by, well, not by Uber, but from Uber. So we're gonna do a deep dive today, my friends. Gosh, now I know why Uber's head of rides left the company. Now I really understand why drivers are striking across the world, why so many people are upset with Uber right now. Rip this in half. Uber, you stinky poo-poo, nah. Guys, we're gonna get into it. Before I do, I wanted to tell you all about an awesome new opportunity. So there is a brand new app, my friends, that is giving Uber and Lyft drivers guaranteed pay. There's so many apps that are popping out for gig workers, and this one is by far the most exciting that I've found. Look at this, my friends. I will have a link down below as well. They have a pay guarantee feature where if you go out and you do a shift and you don't make like the 37 bucks in an hour for Instacart, for example, they'll pay you the difference. This is awesome. And they're in a few areas right now. They're expanding. They have a free plan, they have a basic plan, and they have a pro plan. And all of these, by the way, you'll get a free trial. When you sign up, click free trial, that you will not get charged if you don't renew it. You can try it out, get signed up, link your account, and they're gonna send you $15 when you sign up just for free. Talking about free money, you gotta link your Venmo account or your PayPal. But yeah, check it out, Solo, they're pretty awesome. And I'm excited to get started with them. They said they were gonna add a website for me, or a page for the Rideshare Hub, but yeah, anyways, let's get started. Uber broke the laws, duped police, and secretly lobbied governments, leaked reveals. We know we're cracking open the Red Bull for this one. It's almost midnight. Doing a deep dive on Uber. More than 124,000 confidential documents leaked. Files exposed attempts to lobby Joe Biden, Olaf Scholz, and George Osborne. I'm sorry, I'm not a big political guy. I don't know who the heck these people are. I do know who Joseph Biden is, though. Emmanuel Macron secretly aided Uber lobbying in France. Yeah, guys, Uber is like, did you guys know that there was a strike in the UK, like in London against Uber? Like, it's not only in the United States, like people around the world hate Uber. Former Uber CEO told at the same time, it's like, I love gig work because it's so easy to make quick money, but it's like, there's so many problems with it. Company used kill switch during raids to stop policing data. Former Uber CEO told executives violence guarantees success. What the heck? By Harry Davies, Simon Goodley, Felicity. Guys, oh my gosh. Oh, sheesh. French taxi drivers protesting against private hire service such as, so this is what the Uber strikes look like in France, my friend. The ones in the United States seem very chill compared to this one. Like, those are tires on fire. Leaked messages suggest Uber executives were at the same time under no illusions about the company's law breaking. We're just effing illegal. Oh my gosh. Guys, could this be the end of Uber? This could literally be the end of Uber. You guys know I always title my videos, The End of Uber. This literally could be the end of Uber. The leak file suggests a technique. Guys, you gotta check out this whole article. I'll have it linked below. But yeah, this is getting ugly, getting crazy. I'll do an update with this. And again, check out Solo, linked down below, my friends. They're an awesome company giving drivers guaranteed pay. They have free version, $3.99, $7.99. When you sign up for any of them, they're gonna give you a $15 bucks in Venmo or PayPal when you sign up and link your account. So check out the link below for Solo. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.